Hey guys, welcome to Anne's Maths Club. My name is Nyakinya Gadura, or you can call me Mwalimu Anne. And today, guys, we are going to be going through a very simple topic. We are going to be finding the area of a triangle. So basically here we have three formulas. The first formula is area is equals to a half base, times height. And we have the second formula, which is a half AB sine theta, and the last one, which is the hero's formula, which is written in such a way as square root of s minus a, s minus b, and s minus c. So we are going to look at each one of them and just do an example in order for us to understand. So let's start with the first one. So maybe we've been given right angle triangle, and here it's 5 and here it's 8. So what you need to do, area is equals to a half base times height. So a half times our base is 8 and our height is 5. So that becomes a half times 40 by 2 1 by 2 20. So it becomes 20. So this is the first formula. Let's do a second formula. With the second formula, found out that the area was a half AB sine theta. Assume we've been given a triangle, 50 degrees, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters, A, B, C. So when given such, immediately you see degrees, this is where the sine theta comes in. So what you need to do, we are looking to find the height here. So it becomes a half. Our base is 7 times. So for us to find this height, we will find it as 6 sine theta. It becomes 6 sine theta. Yeah, 6 sine theta. So our answer becomes a half times, and instead of saying sine theta, that is 7 times 6 sine 50 degrees. So it becomes just do sine 50 . Your answer becomes 16.09 centimeters squared. So this is basically how it's done. Let's look at a different example in the same. Been given this triangle. This is 80 degrees, 40 and 7.4 centimeters and 3.6 centimeters. So basically what you need to do here, again, we need to find this height. And since we are using the 3.6 from this side, we need to find this angle. And therefore, a triangle has 180 degrees. So we take 180, we less 80 plus 40. That becomes 180 minus 120. So it becomes 60. So we know here it's 60 degrees. So again, I have AB sine theta. So this becomes a half times our base is 7.4 times 3.6 sine 60 degrees. So this becomes sine 60 . 11.54 centimeters squared. So this is how we work when given a question with such. So now let's look at the third formula and the last. This was the hero's formula. S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. This is how you find the area. So let's assume we've been given a triangle, 6, 7, and 5 centimeters, A, B, C. So when looking to find the area of this triangle, and you've been given this, these sides, what you need to first calculate, so the first thing, solution, you find S, and S is equals to a half times the perimeter. So of the triangle, and that becomes a half times 6 plus 7 plus 5 becomes a half times 18. So this becomes by 2, 1 by 2, 9. So once you get your S is equals to 9. So you come back to the question, area is equals to, so where there's S, we know it's a 9, then 9 minus 6, 9 minus 7, and 9 minus 5. So this becomes 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 5 is 4. And the square root. So that becomes square root of 216. 14.70 centimeters squared. So this is how you find such. So remember, when asked to find the area of a triangle and you've been given the dimensions for each side, you just find S, which is a half, times the perimeter of the triangle, which is 6 plus 7 plus 5, you get 18. Then a half of 18 is 9. So our S being 9, we come back and equate to the equation. So it becomes 9, 9 minus 6, 9 minus 7, and 9 minus 5. Then once you multiply them, you find the square root. And this becomes your answer. So I hope you guys have understood. We've actually gone through 3 formulas. So you can just look for examples or look for question papers. And try doing, you have to think which formula will suit which question best. So thank you so much for tuning in. See you next time. Bye.